Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to receive money from Western Union in 2025, whether it is sent to you online or via any kind of bank or for cash pickups. So it is quite simple, but you need to follow the right steps in order to avoid any kind of mistake. So first of all, you need to come here on westernunion.com. Over here, when you select the option of send money here on the top, you will have to select your country, then press continue here in the bottom. Now, once the sender is going to transfer your money, they will give you a money transfer control number, which is also called MTCN, which is a 10-digit code that tracks your transaction. So you will need this code in order to receive your funds. Now, Western Union offers three ways to get the money into you. First of all, you can select the option of cash pickup at an authorized agent location. The second option would be of directly sending the money to your bank account if your bank supports Western Union transfers. The third method is mobile transfer in your countries where digital payouts are available. So you can come here on the Western Union branch or any kind of partner outlet. Then you can bring your valid government ID, which can be a passport, national ID, or your driver's license, the MTCN number, and the sender's name and the country. At the counter, you need to fill out a receive money form and show your digital MTCN confirmations. Once verified, you will receive your cash instantly. Now, if the sender choose a bank deposit, the money will automatically go to your bank account, which usually is going to take 1 to 2 business days. You can also come here on the westernunion.com's website. Then you can select the option of track a transfer in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you can select I am the receiver, and here you can add the MTCN number below in order to track your transaction. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.